In this quick video, we're going to take a look at creating an annual budget. You'll be able to forecast your income and expenses, and then compare them to your actual transactions. You'll find the new option for budgeting under the Accounting tab. You can see that we've already created a 2024 budget. This tool helps you forecast your income and budget for expenses, and allocate for each individual financial category across the months of the year. You can also compare those estimates and forecasts to actual data for transactions that you've added to your account. This helps you see how you're progressing against your estimates as the year goes on. We'll see green bars here, showing us that we made more income in these categories than we had budgeted. And we'll see blue progress bars here, showing us that we're under budget for these expense categories. And if you've gone over budget, you'll see a red bar. You'll also see totals in each section. We were a bit ahead on our total income, and we were a bit under our forecasted expenses. That means that our net profit was a bit higher than we anticipated. We have a little bit of surplus in case something unexpected happens. Let's take a quick look at how you can create a budget. You just saw that we've already created a 2024 budget, but you can create multiple budgets for a year to account for different scenarios. For this one, we're going to estimate our income a little bit higher and our expenses a little bit lower to represent a best case scenario. It's up to you what categories you want to track. You can choose New Budget Category, and then see options for Expense and Income. The category options that are shown in this menu are directly related to the chart of accounts that you've set up. If you haven't customized the chart of accounts, the default Schedule F categories will be available for you. Maybe we want to first budget for our cattle feed. You can choose if the budget is the same for each month, or uncheck the box and add unique amounts for each month. In this example, we've budgeted a bit differently during the summer and into the fall, as we might spend less on cattle feed if our cows are grazing the fields. We can create and see that line added as a budget expense. As another quick example, we'll add one more category, this time choosing income, and use a custom category for dog food sales. In this example, our business for that doesn't really vary each month, so we'll say that the amount is the same. And you can see the uniform amount applied each month for that category, compared to the varying amount for the cattle feed expense that we saw previously. If situations change and you want to update your forecasts, you can always edit your budget here as well. Even if you forecasted it the same for each month, you can still uncheck that box and change it if you need to. You can budget for as many or as few categories as you'd like. It's entirely up to you. And after creating the budget, you can export it to a spreadsheet or print it and save it as a PDF if you'd like.